What's up, guys? What's up? What's going on? Trying to yes. What's going on? So I know it's been a while since after Vlogmas, basically for the New Year's. You haven't really seen me. Yeah, my diamond ear. You probably see that video already. So my diamond ear. Yeah. You know, hope you guys New Year's doing good. I'm here tonight. Today is Sunday night. I think today's the 14th, January the 14th. So my son has a YouTube channel, so if you have not checked it out, I'll leave the link below. You can check it out. He does like toys review and stuff like that, and playing with his toys and things like that. So we're gonna make a little play section for him over here by the wall there. He's on the ground. You probably see him there on the ground, because we have a mat for him right here, and we have a table over there that we'll be using, and we have some bunch of stuff over here that we have set up on the wall. I'm probably gonna put like a string of ABC and stuff on the wall there, and yeah, make it look good. So this is how it looks before. So this is how it looks before. Say hi, Leo. Hi. Yes, that's how it looks before, and then we're gonna fix it up. He's gonna have his own little section right there. Yeah, I was trying to, yeah, he's gonna have his own little section right there. I was trying to do something a little bit different, but yeah, we'll see how it works out. I'll probably move into a different section, or maybe not, but we'll see how it works out, you know what I mean? Yeah, say bye, Leo. Turn around. Bye. Bye. Alright. Okay guys, so I changed the location where we're going to put Leo play section. So it was over to my left where the box and those things are over there. So I changed that location. It would be too much into the way where they're passing. We'd have to walk all the way around. And because I don't want to be moving it every single day, we're just going to put it beside our sauna here. We have the sauna over there, so we're going to put it beside the sauna. I did move my treadmill from beside the sauna, so I could have the space right beside here to do it. Yes, baby. Close it. Yeah. So we're just going to do it beside the sauna. And you know, put up, and it's a reasonable size, so I think that's supposed to be good for him. I think that's Okay, guys, so we're all done. We're all done. We're finished. We're finished. Yes. He's learning more words each time. Your nose, yeah, your nose, booga booga man. Your nose, booga booga. Yeah, so we're done now, and we're going to show you guys. There's a few more. He said hi. Say hi, Leo. Say hi. Hi, friends. Say hi, friends. Say hi. Oh, friends. 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 Yeah, so there's just a few little things that I want to implement into it as well. But it good for now. It's good for now. So me and Leo, I had to start vlogging for a while because Leo was getting a little. Why are you doing that? Ew. Yeah. Basically, he wanted to do his own thing. He wanted to do his own thing. So I'm like, you know what? Let me stop record and make him sit down and cry out it for a little bit, and then he come back again, me and him finish up. So let me show you how it looks. So we're just sitting down, taking a break. What's that? Show them. That's your Play-Doh? Yeah, your Play-Doh? Yeah, that's your Play-Doh. What color is that? Show it to them.
Red.
Yeah, it's red Play-Doh. Yeah, good job, baby. Good job. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you how it looks, guys. Like that. Okay, show them, Leo. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. It's all done. You can see up there the colors. The word colors. Then you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Are you okay? Oopsie. Help you? Do you want help? You're stuck. Let me help you. Because the table is too close. That's the reason why. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then you have the mat that we bought. It was a nice mat. I think it only cost probably $30. So I basically did everything right here. And all the stickers on the wall. They're not really stickers because I have to buy I had to buy 2-side tape with it. Luckily I did because I wasn't too sure if they were gonna it was a self stick or not. So may buy 2-side tape with it, so that's what I use, the 2-side tape with all of them up there. Yeah, purple, blue, orange, green, yellow, red, and it has this little table there as well. Yeah, he's telling you. And then he has what you call those again? I think they're from the cars. Yeah. Purple, yeah, purple is up there. Good job. Yeah, they're from Cars. He likes Cars. He doesn't love it, but he likes Cars. The movie Cars. So yeah, I basically did this. I would say everything here, including the mat. The mat was the most expensive thing. Table, he had a table and a little chair from a long time ago. He basically did it. Hold on, let me turn it back to me. So let me talk a bit. Hold on. Adjust this thing here. Don't mind me. I had to move my treadmill and put it right there.